The Agung Temple, a temple heritage of the history of Hindu Banjar Kingdom in Amuntai, South Kalimantan. The Agung Temple, that is a temple of the imperial heritage of Dipa Kuripan, was built by Empu Jatmika in the 14th century. The Agung Temple indicated the glories of the state kingdom of Dipa Kuripan, which was then the starting point for the kingdom of Daha or Nagara, the Banjar Kingdom, the Mandastana or Marabahan, and the Martapura Kingdom. The Agung Temple are not typically look like the common temples in Java Islands. It's only a building designed dominated by wood and stone, and it has a small font in the middle building. Uniquely, the Agung Temple has its own apple because it has historical value. The kingdom of Dipa was ruled by Prince Suryanata and Princess Junjungbui. Then, it developed into the current city of Amuntai. Now, the Agung Temple is considered sacred especially by the people of Banjar. The Agung Temple is crowded on weekends and Eids. The purpose of the community visiting various kinds, to celebrate something or to give up desire. The majestic temple is preserved well, and the atmosphere is cool because there are too many city trees, and some of animals are stay around the temple. Not far from the Agung Temple, there is a museum shaped like a traditional house of Banjar. In the museum, there are some relics of the royal era, such as bricks, which are thought to be materials for the construction of the temple sites. There are also historical objects found by archaeologists at the location, such as fragments of lotus flowers, Chinese jars, pottery inscribed with Chinese characters. On the wall of the museum are displayed a number of photos of documentation when the Agung Temple site was first discovered. In that museum, we can see some photos of the construction of the tourist attractions which began in the early 1980s. We can also find work equipment, weapons, and paintings depicting figures from the kingdom of Dipa. Then, in the Agung Temple, there is a temple site. In the middle of the site, there is a small pond. Some parts of the bricks arrangement were covered to prevent damage to the site. In addition, some visitors also put flower buckets in the middle of the site. The flower bouquet is one of the typical products in south of Kalimantan. It consists of a series of jasmine, rose, long flowers, and bougainville. The craftsmen in the food language were Khalid's Parentengan. A bouquet of flowers with various shapes and accessories grow the positive impact to our feeling, whether in happiness or sadness. Normally, a flower bouquet is used for religious activity, deeds, weddings, and welcoming important guests. There is a mystical atmosphere in this location, while many visitors are walking around the site. Many visitors perform ritual around the temple among 3, 5, up to 7 times in the middle of the site. They do this ritual because they have a certain purpose. The site of Mahligai Princess Junjungbui the site used by princess for badudus or bathing and making up. Today believed, especially the people of Banjar, water of the well in this site is used for teenager bathing ceremony and weddings bathing ceremony. The heritage site of Prince Suryanaka. The location of this heritage is in front of the Agung Temple site. Visitors can see a number of people performing the ritual at the place. No wonder if in this heritage found a lot of yellow clothes as ritual equipment. On this side there is also a traditional of Bekilanang Lidi or spanking stitch. He said that if the stitch that was stretched out was longer, it means that what we want will be created and vice versa. Blood-like shape. The blood-like has a shape that resembles a well. According to his story, this well is called the blood-like because it was once used a place to kill two brothers, namely Sukmaraga and Padmaraga. Nine-pillar site. The site is a traditional where people bathe or bemandi. Apart from being a tourist attraction, the Agung Temple is also used for a number of rituals. One of the rituals that visitors usually do is Bedudus bath. In this place, visitors usually bring food in the form of cake and the like, which are handed over to the watchman to read a congratulatory prayer. The cake that was brought was sagu cake, which is also a superior product of South Kalimantan. Sagu cake is a snack made from sago with a soft texture. The sweet taste of this cake is a suitable snack to accompany a glass of tea or coffee. Let's preserve the Agung Temple, which is an Indonesian cultural heritage. Keep it green, keep it clean, and enjoy its beauty.